Welcome to online learning SS1 students. My name is SS1a. I'm taking you on mathematics. The topic we are treating today is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So when you see this kind of expression, it tends to find the unknown variables. The unknown variable is just x. This is x squared and this is x. So we are looking for x in this expression. It's an equation because there is an equal to. Any expression without equal to is not an equation. So it's an equation because it has equal to. So in any equation, we tend to find the variables, like I said. So in what you are supposed to do here is to find the first thing we do in calculating this kind of quadratic equation is for you to multiply a and c. When you multiply, you have ac as your product. And when you have gotten that, you ask yourself, what are the two numbers? Or what are the two numbers that when you add, it will give you b. If you have the two numbers, you remove b and put the two numbers. Let's use a number so that it will be easy for us to understand. Let's say you are given 2x squared plus x minus 1 equal to 0 to solve. Like I was explaining this, the first thing you will do is 2 times minus 1. 2 times minus 1 will give you minus 2. And when it gives you minus 2, you ask yourself, what are the two numbers that when you add will give you plus 1? The two numbers are 2 and minus 1. So that 2 minus 1 will give me plus 1. Then you continue, you remove this x, that's plus 1, and put the two numbers we have gotten. So you have 2x squared plus 2x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. With this now, we have removed plus x or plus 1. Then you put them in brackets now. You have 2x squared in brackets plus 2x minus open brackets. Because of this bracket and this minus sign outside the bracket, this minus is at the middle of this will change to plus, so that when you also open the bracket, it will return to its minus. So you have x plus 1 equal to 0. In this case now, you ask yourself, what is common between 2x squared and 2x? The only thing common there is 2x. You write it outside, open your brackets, you have what is remaining now will be x. So that 2x times x will give me 2x squared. Plus, when you remove 2x squared, 2x here, what will be left is 1. You put 1 minus, what is common in x and 1 is 1. So you write your 1, open your brackets, x plus 1 equal to 0. At this point now, we have the first bracket equal to x plus 1, the second bracket x plus 1. So we factorize them out. Since they are common in the two places, you bring them out. When you bring them out, what you will have is x plus 1, open brackets. When you bring out this x plus 1, since they are common, you will have 2x minus 1. So you have 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 now and the x plus 1. Either of them is equal to 0. You have x plus 1 equal to 0. Remember, our main purpose of solving this is to find the value of x. This plus this is equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So at this point now, we tend to find the value of x, which we are very close to it now. So you have this plus 1 now, we move across the equal sign. When it crosses the equal sign, the sign will change to minus. So you have x equal to minus 1. We have gotten the first one. And this one now, you have 2x equal to, because this one is minus 1, when it crosses the equal sign, it will change to plus, equal to 1. You divide this one now by 2. When you divide it by 2, you have x equal to 1 over 2. So what we have gotten now, our last answer is that either x equal to minus 1 or x equal to 1 over 2 is what we have been solving for, and the solution we have been solving for. So when we go to the next video, we will solve another, not really example, a subtopic of what we want to solve. See you in the next video.